Hi, my name is Joel Kramer. I'm the clinic director and physical therapist at Foothills Sports Medicine Physical Therapy in Buckeye, Arizona. What we do here is we provide physical therapy services to orthopedics, so people who have low back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, hip pain. We work with athletes as well, high school, semi-professional, and professional. So Foothills is very much a kind of full recovery approach. So it's not just that your pain is gone. It's not just that your range of motion is back. We want you to be able to do everything you want and need to do, whether that's you're a weekend warrior, if you just want to hang out with your family and be able to do stuff with them without hurting, or even just day-to-day stuff, going to the store. That full recovery approach is kind of what Foothills is known for. Highly recommend to anyone who's even thought about physical therapy is just come on and talk to us. We're an open door. We want to make sure that all your questions are answered. You feel super comfortable. We want you to feel like a family member and friend here.